Hey guys, welcome to channel PJH. Today we have us a mega box of UFC Topps Chrome. And you get one auto per box. So let's rip this sucker up and see if we can hit anyone good. Now, Panini had rights to the UFC, and now Topps bought them out. So now we have Topps Chrome, and you know Topps Chrome don't mess around. So I'm excited to see what Topps has done with this product. So you know I had to get me something. So these were what? $49.99. And you're guaranteed an auto. So let's see what we can get out of here. Okay, here we go. Pack number one. We got 6 packs. And then 8 cards per pack. All right. And it looks like they come with the X Fractors. So we got Jalen Turner. That dude. Her. I'm just mainly looking for the rooks, you know. Here goes that. A and G. That's Sanya with getting her back, and it's a chrome. And then we got Jamal Hill. And then Lipsky. So, all right. That starts off the first pack. I don't even know if they have rookies in here, so I guess we're going to find out. We got Ant Smith, Gary, Garcia, Paul Craig, and we have the autograph already. We got a Hall of Fame UFCer. Over. We got Edwards on X and Cho. Oh, that's a rookie refractor. X-Fractor, rather. Well, as you can see, that rookie card logo right there. Looks like a stop sign. Okay. We're just gonna go for it, alright? So let's see who we get for our autograph. Marlon Vera. I'm gonna stick that X Factor there as well. Bantamweight. It is a sticker auto. All right, so I don't know. I don't think that was a very good auto. That might be one of the commons. There's Hill. Edwards again. We have the X Fractor over there. This dude. And then you got Chandler. Foriat, Mohammed, flyweight, brick by brick insert. And then we got Corey Sandhagen. And oh, that's a nice one. That's just the refractor of Royce Gracie. Royce Gracie. Legend right there. All right. Moving on. Dominique Reyes. Okay, Irene. Yanez. Leon Edwards. There's a, what is that, a prism? Oh, Paul Craig. Okay. Macy Barber on the Fired Up. Daniel Cormier on the X. And some Russian guy. We have 2 packs left. Carla. Klein. There's Usman. Da Silva for the ladies. There's Whitaker on the A and G. Amanda Lemos and Michael Chiza or something or the other. I'm running out of room here. Last pack. Definitely like the X Factors. I don't know if there's a lot of value to this product. There's a rookie card of Bruno Ferraria. Paul Rosas. Oh, there's a Sean O'Malley. There's Chuck Lindell on Path Blazers. It's a nice one to Chuck. And Matthews Nicolo on the X. Jalen Turner on the Refractor. So there you go. I got a stack of base cards right here. And we got a lot of refractors and X-Fractors and Prism and one auto. So there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone.